Hey, welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos, we take a look at Bitcoin and everything that's going on in the world of cryptocurrencies. So if you're new to the show, please hit that subscribe button because we're making daily videos and we try to keep it relevant with what's happening in blockchain and the news. So let's kick it off and see what's happening with Bitcoin this morning. And if you've been following along, you will know that Bitcoin has been climbing over the past few days, trying to break through that $7,500 mark, and it's been trying to do that for most of the morning, and it might just do it later today. We'll have to wait and see, because on the other side of the coin, Bitcoin Cash is feeling that pressure, as well as some other contributing factors. But let's start off with the good news. Yes, there is some good news, and that is with the mining profitability. This morning we are seeing Bitcoin Cash back at number one on cryptocurrency coins, coinwars.com, and that is some great news. That means that miners will take attention to this and they will hopefully jump back over to start mining Bitcoin Cash. And we're seeing that kind of become a reality here as that new DAA, that difficulty adjustment, is actually keeping Bitcoin Cash above that Bitcoin profitability. So currently the chain is running at 11% difficulty compared with BTC, and that is a great sign. So a little bit of good news there. Just wanting to keep it positive because yes, we have seen Bitcoin Cash slip down into some darker numbers, but hopefully as this number goes up, we will see Bitcoin Cash retain not only that $1,000 mark, which incredibly it's been doing so this morning, not slipping down too far below that, and it's a great side to see. But there is some big news that's also contributing to this, and that is with Ripple. Now, this just happened. This came out this morning. They've teamed up with American Express. Now that is massive, and you see that as 13% gains currently, but we saw it earlier, about 20% jump this morning, and why wouldn't it? Because that's pretty big news. Now we're hoping to see that with Bitcoin Cash as well, but when people coming from Bitcoin.org are slandering Bitcoin Cash, it's making it very, very hard. Yes, that's right. If you look over at the co-owner of that website, they're calling Bitcoin Cash a cancer. They're calling it a bad seed, and they're also saying that we need to work to remove Bitcoin Cash. Now that to me is the fact that they are scared. Why wouldn't they be scared? They're calling Bitcoin to have fast peer-to-peer transactions and low fees. Well, that just is flat out not the case, especially when you see people showing the fact that this coin is extremely expensive to use, becoming more and more expensive. Yesterday we hit prices at around 800 satoshis per byte. That, my friends, is just backwards. And you're seeing people like Roger Ver come out and show this on a daily basis, how this coin is becoming more and more expensive to use and less practical used as a utility. It is just ridiculous. Now when you see them continually calling Bitcoin Cash a practical utility to be used in the world by many people, that to me is what the coin should be used for. So I'm not going to dwell on that again, but it is sad to see people like Bitcoin.org coming out and crashing on Bitcoin Cash. And look, this is what the coin is supposed to be used for, an easy payment system, peer-to-peer. So hopefully we see this price go back up and people start waking up to the high fee coin being impractical in real world. But I will continue to look at other coins because we are seeing money fall out of Ethereum, Dash, and other areas across the cryptocurrency scene as we see this news come out with Ripple and the spikes going into Bitcoin Cash. Now, we can only assume with the prices going towards Bitcoin Cash, the miners will take notice of that, and we should start to see Bitcoin Cash come back, if not hold its place in the market. Now, as we know, there is some potential here with Bitcoin Cash. I sent out a tweet yesterday trying to get involved with Coinbase. Now, a lot of people took notice to this. Jihan Wu retweeted this. Roger Ver liked the tweet. And Bitcoin Cash has been supportive of getting Coinbase backing Bitcoin Cash. Now, the owner, or CEO, Brian Armstrong, even mentioned that he was not happy with the fees and with the practicality of Bitcoin Cash being way higher than Bitcoin itself. It might be the case where we should see Bitcoin Cash jumping onto this a lot sooner than possibly that January 1st date. So if you like the tweet, please retweet and like it, because Brian Armstrong will hopefully see that and maybe speak out and do something about it in a couple days. we'll have to wait and see. Otherwise, check out Quadrica CX. They are highly recommended by myself. I'll leave a link in the description box below with my referral there, but they allow you to pick up whatever you want in the top 3 there: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, as well as Litecoin. And they are highly recommended with very low fees. So check that out. And if you haven't done so, I'm the Crypto Kid. You can hit that subscribe button if you've been enjoying these videos. If not, well, I'm assuming that you're just doing your research, because there's a lot to take in. And that's what we do here. We try to keep it real and give as much information so you can make the right decisions in your trading and keeping informed with what's going on in the world of cryptocurrencies. So again, guys, thanks for watching. It's been fun to make. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.